What up, everybody? June 5th, another day, another dollar. But I'm coming back from the place where I usually pick up my stuff from the online auction. I actually forgot yesterday that I had stuff that I bidded on until I got an email about some stuff that I was getting outbidded on, and so it's not a lot, but it's a couple things. But I'll have to show y'all that when I get there, when I get to the house and show everything to you. But it was another $100 I spent on a couple items. So once I get home, I will let y'all see what happens of all the things that I have. Alright, peace. Alright guys, I'm back. In the process of everything, and I'm making a sale today. It was for a Philips video recorder, a 16 channel. Came from a lot of electronic things that I had got that one time from the auction online, and that's all profit, because I'm still making profit from that, because I ain't got my money back. I spent $23 some change for a big skid of just electronics. This sold, well, I had it listed for $99.99, and the buyer sent me a offer for $75, and I accepted it. So they paid $75 plus, I think they $14.50 for shipping. So I already got that boxed up. Everything's already pre-boxed. All I gotta do is just ship this on off to the post office. But with that said, that's it so far for our sales. So let me show y'all guys the stuff that I got for you. Alright, the first thing you got here is a Fiskars machete with saw blade. I've been seeing saw blades on this online auction for different times, but I have looked them up on eBay, and they do be selling. I looked up to make sure you can sell them on eBay, and so that's one of the reasons I got it. And I picked this up for, there was a couple other ones, but I didn't win those bids. But I paid $9.56 for this. So it's a nice little thing that comes with the sleeve. And I'm gonna get this listed and see what happens with there. I don't know how much they're selling for this particular brand, or well, I'm gonna have to check it out. But let's move to the next. It's up here next is a box of Halloween decorations and masks. So I kind of saw this and thought to myself, this should be kind of a good time to pick up some Halloween stuff since it's coming back around. So I'm probably just hold on. Well, I might list this stuff, but I might not be in a rush to post all this stuff, because I know once Halloween come around, that's when you could get a bit more money out of this stuff versus now. So I'm gonna have to go through all this. I know if the kids see this, they're pretty much gonna want all this. I might let them pick in it for a bit to see what they want. And other than that, I'll list all these. I used to read these back when I was a kid. The R.L. Stine's Ghost. Actually, my sister had, but I used to watch it. Read them sometimes. But just a lot of different stuff, like far as Halloween tradition. And it's gonna be kind of interesting going through this stuff. But as I get this stuff listed, it will get going out. So with this box of stuff, I paid $11.96 for all of this. So I think at least one of these things that's in this box, because pretty much get my money back, and the rest will be profit. So ain't no two worries on this. So let's move on to the next. Now the last thing here is some golf clubs. I figure I saw them. I already got the bucket of golf balls. So I don't know how I'm gonna play this out with both. Either I might sell these individually and add some golf balls with it. Cause that's what I think I'm gonna do. Cause I was gonna just list all 4 of these online, but I'm gonna do one listing at a time with those and add golf balls with them. So with all this, the golf clubs, I paid $78.98. It was like a little war a little bit for these, but I ended up winning on top. So, and at least one of these I saw for they were selling for about 68. Another one probably between 50 and 60. So I'll get my money back from these. And these golf balls bring more value too. So that's all the stuff that I got for today. So with all that, y'all see what I got. For all that together, I paid $100.43. So I got just try to pile it up, pile more and more stuff. So the more I list, more sales I get, the more stuff I could be able to get. So that's what every penny is pretty much going to buying more stuff and maybe some supplies if I need. So, but that's it. That's what I have for today. If anything else that transpired from here on out, I'll let y'all guys know. But until then, stay stupid for life. What up, everybody? June 7th. It is another day. It's late not real late, but it's about 10. Not 9:30 at night. I've been doing a lot of listing today. So right now I'm up to 230 listings right now. So whoop, that's good. Keep it going. My goal right now at this point is to try to do 10 listings, at least 10 listings a day. Hopefully I don't run out of stuff doing that, but I'm trying to keep stuff coming in as I go also. But I had a couple sales that's going out tomorrow. One is from the one sale I made, I guess, over the weekend. It was what was it called again? The Munhog gaming, like 152 piece tile game. I guess from, I don't know, I think China or something, I don't know. But they finally paid because I got it set for what eBay after 2 days, eBay automatically send a unpaid case. So once they did that, he pretty much paid. So I don't know why it took so long, but I see him start to get a couple of those stragglers that do that, but as long as they pay, it's alright. So that was that. I got next is one of the golf clubs that I got out of the 4 golf clubs. I got one of them sold, and this fits in this 2 priority USPS box. It's a 2, and it's the size. Let me get the size for you. I got it wrote down somewhere, but it's like 37 by 6 by 4. So that fit right in there. I didn't have to do any custom job to it like I did the other 2 clubs. So I think I had this for $100, $99.99, and the buyers actually $94.99, and the buyer sent me an offer for $75, and I accepted it. Well, I had it automatically accepted, so that was paid. So that was $75 plus they paid for shipping, so it came up to $94.95 altogether. And the next thing that just sold today is 1 bag of Lay's Fury Habanero, I think. I don't know. Some chips that I got from the store. I forgot which store I even got them from, but the price on them, it said, which I put on eBay for $1.89, but I had up the shipping on it. So the buyer ended up paying $20 in shipping and $1.89 for the actual item. So I'm surprised that the buyer actually even paid that. But that was another experiment for me, a strategy. I was just trying to see if it works or not, but I forgot all about it anyways. But somebody finally actually sold them. So I'm going to package this up now and little box that I got from the online auction that had a bunch of the sweatbands that I had. So I boxed that up in there, put a little bit of this packing paper. Well, it's not really paper, it's more styrofoam-ish. Get this shipped out. But for tonight, that's it. So I'm going to pack all the stuff up, get it ready for tomorrow, so I can just grab it and go and pretty much chill for the rest of the night. I'm tired. I've been listing stuff and packing and just doing a lot today, which I'm happy about too. So that's progress. So any progress to me is great, because it's more of a step closer to, you know, more of a financial goal and achievement and freedom, you know. So with all that said, it's your boy Q going out of here, student for life. Learn from your mistakes and everything will be all right. All right, y'all. See you.
Good morning, everybody. It's June 8th. Pretty much a feed off from yesterday, but yesterday it was offer up. Somebody sent me an offer for somebody that I posted on there, and I accepted their offer, which was, these were some Tamiya batteries. One of them was brand new, and the other one I had was used, so I don't know really the condition of the use of that. So, but the one that was new, I saw it selling on eBay for about $30. So I listed that for both of them for $30. So pretty much buy one and get the other one free. And I listed it on OfferUp for $35, and somebody sent me an offer for $30, and I accepted that. So I'm gonna have to get that. I'm getting the label printed out, but I already have everything packed up. So all I gotta do is print out the label and send it on off with the rest of the stuff that I got sitting here on this chair. So the 3 things, but I mean, as I'm getting my listings up, more and more sales are coming in. So that's pure profit from there, because the batteries came from the little electronic deal that I got when I spent $23 some change for a whole bunch of stuff that was in totes and boxes and stuff, like electronic. Like, it was mostly like computerized type stuff, like modems and, you know, network security equipment and all that. So the stuff is still selling, but selling slowly. But this is another thing that's profit for me. So I'm gonna get this together. Hopefully today be a good day as far as sales. So till then, I'll let y'all guys know if anything happened else today. But other than that, I'll see y'all guys another day. So till then, catch you later. All right, y'all.